Dear friends, today I would like to discuss about the lifestyle and its importance in anybody's life. Lifestyle is very important to boost the immunity in us. If your immunity is strong, it will prevent the foreign bodies from entering into your body, and this will check you from any kind of infections. You can remain healthy. So immunity is very important, and in order to maintain a proper immunity, your lifestyle plays a big role. Let us understand what is lifestyle. Lifestyle is simply the way we live our life. It includes our habits and the way we perform our day-to-day activities in our everyday life. Here I am going to speak about some simple ways by which you can boost your immunity. By bringing about some small changes in your day-to-day activities, you can boost your immunity. I am going to discuss about 6 steps by following which you can improve your immunity. The first step that I would like to focus is get up early in the morning. I don't mean you get up at 4 o'clock or 3 o'clock in the morning, but at least you try to get up before sunrise. That is at least 5:30 you must get up. I mean here you don't sleep up to 8 or 9 in the morning, but you get up at 5 o'clock, 5:30 or 6 o'clock in the morning. And after getting up, you sit at least for 15 minutes in front of the sun and allow the sunlight to fall on your body. Sunlight is a major source of D vitamin, and D vitamin is very important in anybody's body to improve immunity. If it is not possible to sit in the sunlight, at least you can sit outside and have the fresh air of the early morning. You sit for 15 minutes and that is sufficient. The second point that I would like to discuss is personal hygiene. Personal hygiene plays a very significant role in everybody's life in boosting the immunity system. We should be neat and clean, and we should keep our surroundings also neat and clean. We don't pay attention to small things in our life, like we don't wash our brush before applying toothpaste on it. You don't wash the vegetables and fruits before using them. These are small incidents where we are not careful. So one has to be very careful regarding personal hygiene. You brush your teeth 2 times a day, once in the early morning and before going to the bed in the night. Always wear fresh clothes, washed clothes after taking bath. And especially here I am speaking about the undergarments. Always drink pure water. Avoid eating junk foods and outside foods. Keep your surroundings neat and clean. These are some basic qualities which everybody should maintain to maintain proper hygiene. The third step that I would like to focus on is balanced diet. Balanced diet does not mean eating too much or eating very costly things. Balanced diet means your plate should contain all the nutrients. It must contain proper amount of vitamins, proper amount of carbohydrates, proper amount of proteins. In this way, your diet should be properly balanced. A proper amount of fruits, vegetables, pulses, 2 or 3 chapatis, and a small cup of rice and curd should be included in your diet. It is not necessary that you take all these things at one time. In the morning, you may take 1 or 2 fruits. During lunch, you can have your curd. In this way, you divide your entire diet into small segments and you take the nutrients required by your body. Fourth point that I would like to discuss is regular workout. Regular exercise for at least 15 to 20 minutes every day is necessary for everybody. This exercise does not mean any rigorous exercise or workout. You just walk, have a brisk walk for 15 to 20 minutes and some stretching exercises for your hands and legs and neck in order to maintain a fixed amount of flexibility in your body. Regular workout helps to maintain the flow of blood and oxygen in the body, which is necessary to maintain immunity. The flow of oxygen boosts the immunity in your body. You should also do some breathing exercises or pranayam for at least 15 minutes and meditation for only 5 minutes. You can do this workout in the morning or in the evening when your stomach is empty. Fifth point that I would like to focus on is spirituality. Everybody should have some amount of spirituality in their life. This will increase the positivity in your life, that will promote positive thinking and positive happening wherever you go. So after having your bath, you stand in front of the God you believe and pray for 5 minutes. If you don't have any prayer, simply close your eyes and ask for your well-being. And ask for the well-being of the society and the humanity and the mankind. If you don't believe on any God, simply close your eyes and pray to the nature. This is a kind of meditation what develops positivism in you. It develops a kind of positive energy in you which will promote confidence in you, and this confidence will help you to get your desires fulfilled. So there should be spiritual flavor in everybody's life. The sixth point that I would like to focus on is sound sleep. You should have a sound sleep of 7 to 8 hours every day. If you have got a habit of sleeping in the afternoon and keeping awake late in the night, stop this. You don't sleep in the afternoon and go to bed early in the night. And you see that minimum 6 hours of sound sleep is necessary for anybody to be healthy. When you sleep, your muscles relax and they develop energy. This will help you to boost your immunity. In order to have a sound sleep, have a cup of hot milk with a pinch of turmeric powder in it. This will help you to sleep well and it will also boost your immunity. So friends, I have discussed about certain points. You practice these points in your life, then you will see slowly changes will start happening in your life, and this will gradually improve the immunity in your body. The points that I have discussed should become a part of your lifestyle, and definitely you will be benefited by these things.